Here's how I made close to $10,000 today live trading using my powerful iFVG strategy. Let's roll the tape. We're in this hourly gap. We're waiting for this 2-minute inversion. Let's look at the 1 minute. Pretty much got the 1 minute inversion. But yeah, if we can also inverse this, I'm definitely getting in. You can also inverse that 1 minute, I'm in there. Clean inversion. That inversion wasn't very strong, but let's see. I have a tiny 5 minute here. Let's see. Oh, snap. Okay, this trade might actually leave me. I should have gone in at that inversion, I guess. Let's see. Place my buy limit here. Yeah, this thing might have left us. Let's see though. Snaps into that buy limit, I'm in there. That sell limit.
Order filled.
I'm in there. Stop loss about this level. Take profit down here. Looking for a nice push to the downside on price here. Let's get some clean price action there. Let's keep it pushing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's keep it pushing. All right, 50 ticks on moving stops to break even here. Let's see here. Okay. All right, I'm moving stops to break even now, guys. Moving stops to break even. Keep that in mind. So this trade is now basically risk-free. Boom. Stops at break even. Boom. Right there. Risk-free trade now. We're chilling now. We're chilling. We're chilling in this trade now. Let's see, 70 ticks. Keep that in mind as well. Okay, we're almost at 70. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. Makes sense to trim at 70. So once you get to 76, if you're comfortable with your profits, you can definitely start trimming. Let's keep it pushing. Beautiful. Let's sink. Let's sink. Let's sink. Let's sync. I think I'm going to take 2 off here and then let the rest run. That's what I'm going to do. 2 off there and then let the rest run. Let's sync.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Two's off. Beautiful sync. I love this. I love it. Fuck. We basically hit full TP, guys. I should probably just get out of everything. Basically hit full TP. I've taken 2 out, so I've secured most of my profits. Now I'm just being a little bit greedy. Let's see here. I'm just being a little bit greedy for no reason. I'm about to exit very soon. Just trying to see if I could squeeze a little bit more. But if not, I'm out. Nice sync to the downside. I love it. Beautiful. Let's sync. Let's continue sinking. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, banger trade. Look at this. Look at this shit. Bro, this week has been green, guys. This week, every single day, we've been eating. Even yesterday, I ended up taking a trade, cashed out. So this week has been great, man. This week has been amazing. Wish every week was like this. This week has been all green. Every single trade has been won, guys. What are you telling me? I'm gonna exit full position here. I'm chilling. Like, look at this. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I don't need anything else, guys. I'm done. I'm done. Like, I'm done trading. Banger fucking trade. Banger fucking trade. Bro, look at that sink. That was beautiful. That was beautiful, guys. That was fucking beautiful. I'm out of all my positions. I am done for the day. And boom, just like that, I was done for the day. Beautiful trade. Undefeated week. This week has been all green. I've been killing it. This is exactly how it's done. I've already captured 10R this week. Banger week. That is how it's done. If you guys are interested in trading live with me, the link is going to be there in my bio. If you're already trading like this and are looking to scale up your capital, you can use TradeSynker. TradeSynker lets you copy your trades across multiple accounts. The link is going to be in my bio. Let me know down there in the comments how your trading day was, your trading week, and any feedback you have. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you're the first to receive all my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.